name's Tom Hollands. I'm the Innovation Technical Director at Rainer Foods. Rainer Foods is a third generation family business, and we manufacture a range of food-to-go products that's supplied nationwide. The most inspiring thing I've found about working in manufacturing is the team of people that I work alongside with and I collaborate with. A lot of the values of people that I've met are very much aligned to mine. We want to try and improve practices. We want to try and improve the environment of people working within the businesses and the supply chain. And we generally want to do better, improve and achieve more value, not only for the shareholders but also for the wider stakeholders. The biggest challenge facing manufacturing at the moment, food manufacturing or any other different type of manufacturing, is climate change. Our world is starting to burn, and if we don't transform the systems that deliver our food or services around the world, then we won't have a planet left remaining. So the impetus is to transform our systems to become more sustainable, not only today, not only for tomorrow, but for many, many years to come, and also maintain a good standard of life for everyone. The greatest happiness for the greatest number. This is a really exciting period of change. There are three significant areas converging. One, as mentioned before, climate change. The second, COVID has accelerated a lot of workplace changes and has effectively changed the world. And thirdly, we're seeing the dawn not only of the fourth industrial revolution, but also the fifth as well. And these three key things are converging that will utterly transform manufacturing, food manufacturing, will change the industry now. We will have less labour intensive, more automation, more handling, storage, usage and accessibility of data sets, and we will be our processes will be augmented to supply products and services throughout the world for a far lower CO2e footprint than they do at the moment. There is a lot to learn from other manufacturing sectors, and equally food manufacturing has a lot to offer other manufacturing sectors in terms of learning and development. And at least I see the future in not being about big company versus big company. It will be supply chain versus supply chain, and it only be those supply chains that collaborate enough with each other that add the greatest value across the supply chain that will be the winners in this new world that we're in. With all the challenges the pandemic brought, also delivered a lot of opportunities for this business. Over the last 12 months, this business has put on an additional £7.7 million worth of turnover, and you can tell by my grey hair. That being said, we've only delivered it because we have a really strong management team. Everyone is very committed to achieving the end goal together as a group, and we've only got this far by the teams that support the business. There are a number of different manufacturing sectors. My advice to any young person considering it is stop thinking about it, go and ask some questions, find a mentor, find out about it, and if it's still appealing, go ahead and do it. You'll have a fantastic career. You'll join in the industries at a really critical time, and through your input and your skills, your knowledges and behaviour, can you help transform our systems to become more sustainable.